Alright, so we pretty much finished with our app, but as I promised, we haven't been able to, if you got this like a subject, you can add that and you can like a for loop, but you can never swipe left and actually delete it. So yeah, that's exactly what we are going to do. Basically just edit this, edit Things2Learn view, and we got let me just quickly go through this. Okay, so bindable state, and all different sections, and mainly we're going to edit the subject to learn, right? And we got a for loop, we got a text, and we can say here, because we're going to swipe left and delete, so we can say on delete. Okay, and then perform a specific option or index text, something like that. I can say delete subject. Okay, so basically just write a placeholder, and it's just like same when you got the things to do list view. Yeah, perform delete, and then got the function here. Okay, function here. So let's go back to edit. Okay, and we got add subject, add subject, and then we can have a function of a delete subject. Okay, and then same method as a specific offset. Okay, and have index set. And of course we can have with animation, and run this, and we are like Things2Learn dot subjects to learn dot. We can just remove at a specific offset of a specific offset. Okay, yeah, then get out. Alright, let's test this. Finger crossed it will work. Okay, let's add something. Okay, submit, swipe. Okay, delete. Okay, swipe, delete, swipe, delete. That's good. And of course you can swipe all the way to the left to delete. Okay, pretty simple. So basically this is just the same. Okay, I got a certain index offset, and remove that offset. So yeah, here. Yeah, you can use this method as well. Okay, I just use two different way of achieving the same problem, so you guys can see the results. Okay, pretty cool.